Now when I'm lining up my C cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Remember to use your corners and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Always remember to detail after lining up because it reveals lines. Don't forget to use your comb to feed the hair into the clipper. We're using our previous guards like the half guard and the one guard all the way open to detail and remove some dark lines that I see. Alright, now we're here on the left side and we're gonna again start at the bottom and work our way to the top arch using our corners. Now we're gonna prep the lineup. First we're gonna comb all the hair into place, clip it up, and then comb all the baby hairs down. Now we're gonna grab our Gold FX and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely going to reply to it. Thank you. Now we're going to move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, and we're going to make them as crispy as possible. Make sure to use shave gel and stretch the skin. Also, keep the blade at a 45-degree angle.